loves, today I'm showing you my handmade product moisture treatment for my texturized hair. If your hair has been feeling weak, shedding or just tired, this routine right here will bring it back. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Brigy and I'll share hot things, healthy, gorgeous texturized hair, relaxed hair or natural hair. And today I'm using Mikalla Mayonnaise for protein and ApHogee Moisturizer to balance with moisture, the perfect combo for softness and strength. Now Mikalla Mayonnaise is actually a light protein treatment. It has protein to strengthen and oils to nourish. The ApHogee Moisturizer, that's our softness, shiny and elasticity step. You always want moisture after protein. Yeah, without losing time, let's get started. And I'm starting on a freshly shampooed hair because clean hair absorbs protein so much better. And I just towel blotted and now we are ready. Yeah, this is the protein. Yeah, this is the texture. Let's go ahead with the protein. I am working in sections because protein sticks best to damp detangled hair. Look at that slip. I'm making sure to cut every strand, especially the hands because those are the most fragile. I'm done applying now, but I'm going to use a towel comb and comb it through to make sure the protein is evenly distributed. Now I'm popping on a plastic cup and adding a little heat with a dryer cup or towel. It really helps it penetrate. I'm going to let it sit for 15 to 25 minutes. Please don't sleep on protein. Yeah, 25 minutes are over now and I'm going to rinse it out. I'll be back. Okay, rinsed. The hair feels strong but not stiff. Exactly what we wanted. Next is ApHogee Moisturizer. This step is essential, especially after protein. ApHogee Balancing Moisturizer infuses moisture, improves manageability, softness, and shine. I'm applying generously and letting it sit 5 to 10 minutes. This is what keeps your hair soft, flexible, and bouncy. Then I will finger detangle it to make sure it's evenly distributed. I'll be back after 10 minutes. Here, rinsed now, and I'm adding a little bit of leave-in conditioner. This is my favorite, as you know, Mikalla, enriched with shea butter, castor oil, and menthol. Yeah, to seal in that moisture. Sorry. Now the hair feels healthy. Look at that shyness. Look at that smoothness. Moisture plus protein is the real secret for texturized hair, relaxed hair, or natural hair. Look at that. Thanks for hanging out today with me. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like, comment, protein day, and subscribe for more texturized hair care. Let me know if you want me to do a full strengthening routine or a moisture on wash day next. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.